They told me interest rates won't make you rich, but this one savings account in South Africa proves them wrong. If you are saving in the wrong account, you are not just missing out, you are losing money every day, and most people don't even know it. If you are new here, hi, I'm Ekow, legacy builder, property investor, and a former investment banker. And on this channel, we make money talk so you don't get played. Right now, South Africa's repo rate is around 8.25%, and that affects everything from your home loan to your savings. If you are borrowing, higher rate means higher cost. But today, I'm flipping that so you get paid. And if you stick around, I will answer the biggest questions viewers are asking. Let's hack the system, starting with the one trick that can change everything. Starting early. Let me show you a trick I wish I knew at 18. Starting early with the right interest account is the closest thing we have to passive wealth in South Africa. Saving 1,000 rand a month from age 20 in a high interest rate account can grow to over 1.2 million by 60 without raising a finger. But at 35, you need to save double to catch up. Time is money, and that's why you start now. I opened my first Capitec savings pocket at age 23. By age 25, I had more interest earnings than most of my friends had in their entire accounts. Next up, number 2, daily compounding. Not all interests are created equal. Monthly versus daily compounding, that's a game changer. Daily compounding means your money earns on yesterday's interest every single day. But banks don't advertise this because they want to earn on your interest. Accounts like African Bank My World and Time Bank Go Save, those are your secret weapons. And stick around because I will show you how to combine accounts in a way that earns you 3 interest rates at once while keeping your money flexible. If this is helping you already, hit like. It tells YouTube this is info more South Africans need. Next up, number 3, maximize bonus rates. Here is how the rich plays the bonus rates game and why you should too. Some accounts offer up to 11%, but only if you meet specific rules, like not withdrawing for 90 days or depositing regularly. Miss one condition, that 11% drops instantly to 3%. Most people don't even realize. Set up deposit orders and forget about it. I call it the lazy bonus hack. I've given you a taste, but if you want the full wealth building formula, the one that helped me achieve financial success, you need my free Money Master PDF. It's packed with proven steps that most people ignore. Download it after this video. Link in bio. Now, number 4, shift during rate hikes. When interest rates go up, your savings should too, but they won't unless you move them. Fixed rate accounts lock you outside the hikes, but the variable rate account ride the wave. Most South Africans lock their money right before the Reserve Bank hikes rates. Wrong move. Move to flexible options during rate hikes like Discovery's demand deposit or money markets funds. Next up, number 5, consolidate for tier rates. You are leaving money on the table if your savings are scattered. Here is why. Tiered rates. Many banks offer high interest once you've crossed 50k or 100,000 rand in a single account. But if your cash is split across 5 accounts earning 5%, you are missing out on that 8% tier. I moved all my savings to Time Bank Gold Save and suddenly jumped from 7% to 11%. Now, number 6, let's look at Tabo's 10k challenge case study. Tabo, age 25, Soweto, moved his 10k from a fixed deposit at 6.2% to Go Save, hitting 11% after 12 months, earning 1,100 versus 620 rand. That's a 77% interest boost for doing nothing but moving money. So here is one trick most people don't know. I call it the savings ladder strategy. Listen, if your money's been sitting in a dead account for months, that's not your fault. We are taught to save, not to grow. But now you know what to do. This isn't just about earning more. It's about taking back the money the banks were quietly pocketing for years. Know someone who needs this? Send it to them now. Instead of putting all your money in one deposit account, you spread it across 3 different time frames to unlock multiple interest rates at once while keeping some of your cash liquid. Let's say you get a bonus in December. Instead of locking all that 15K away for 6 months, ladder it. 5K in 32 days, 5K in 90 days, and 5K in gold save. That way, you always have access and top-tier returns. It's like layering your savings for growth and flexibility at the same time. Most banks reward you with higher tiers when balances cross certain thresholds. Want to know which bank pays the highest interest right now? Check out my full breakdown of the best interest savings account in South Africa, including the one paying 11% after this video. Link in bio. Most of us were never taught this in school or even by our parents. But that changes now because you've got the power to build wealth without earning more, just by thinking differently. And every time I share this, I get asked questions. Let's tackle the biggest ones real people are asking right now. The first one being, can I use a savings account as an emergency fund? The answer is yes, but only if it allows fast access and still pays decent rates. The second question from Raymond from Pretoria. What's better, money market or savings? My personal answer is, it depends. If rates rise, money market is better. For stability, use high yield savings. South Africans work too hard to earn cents on savings. It's time we made our money work for us. You've got the blueprint. You've learned the secrets to growing your wealth. Now it's time to pass it on. Share this video with someone who deserves to know how to make their money work for them. They will appreciate it, and so will their future. Grab my free Money Master PDF and discover the little known strategies most people overlook. Trust me, you'll want to read it. Want to level up? Watch the full Maximize Your Savings Interest playlist. Each strategy builds your bank accounts and your future. And remember, don't just save. Build the legacy your future self will thank you for. Like and subscribe for your next money moves. See you in the next one. Peace.